Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad X1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 is making strange noises, it could be due to dust accumulation or a failing fan. Over time, dust can obstruct airflow, causing the fan to work harder and produce those unsettling sounds. If left unaddressed, this can lead to overheating and potential damage to your device. To tackle this issue, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, a soft brush, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back panel off, taking care not to force it. Inside, locate the cooling fan, which is usually situated near the heat sink. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fan and surrounding areas. Hold the fan in place with your finger to prevent it from spinning while you clean. If you notice any debris stuck in the fan blades, use the soft brush to gently dislodge it. After cleaning, check all connections and ensure there are no loose cables. Once everything is clean, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure to apply even pressure when tightening the screws, but avoid over-tightening as this can damage the casing. Finally, power on your device and listen for any unusual noises. If everything sounds normal, congratulations! You've successfully cleaned your Lenovo ThinkPad X1. To prevent this issue from recurring, make it a habit to clean your device regularly, ideally every few months. Keeping your workspace dust-free can also help reduce the amount of dust that enters your laptop. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.